So, we are here at a meet hosted by Juice, and yeah, I just decided to pick up the camera and film some stuff. I don't know how much, but I will try my best, I think. So, ayan. Ayan?
Ha? Wala. Sabi ko ma-upload mo pa yung video mga 2028.
Hindi ka nagkakamali. Media. The Legends Media stickers. I really like those tire letterings. I might do that, but the spray painted ones. This has to be my favorite car in this meet. Kanjo inspired EG. The tire letters. And I really like this side skirt, so might get one. Well, here's another Kanjo inspired build. Tire letters, stickers, nogood.com, the no good plate. Got the Fast and Furious Eclipse. Nice car. Enjoy car life. Can't see the steering wheel.
Pero deep dish yan eh. Deep dish na steering.
You've got another Kanjo build right here. Thank you. With a nogood.com sticker and tire letters, civic plate. I really want to do this. I might. Oh, we've got the VIP cars, the people cars. They're huge and low. Yeah.
Miyata BRC?
BRC.
Gusto Miyata.
BRC. Here's another city. Type Z. SX8 Type Z. This one's low. I like that height. I have an Anya sticker here, but some kid peeled it off to, I guess, use it on her own stuff. So, I bought a new one. Look at her nails. Matches to my car. Here's the new sticker. I like the Anya better because I designed that one for Spam Subi and sent me some. But some girl took it and right now we have Stitch. I love Subarus. I think they sound great. Good. Should we do underglows? Bagay sa'yo underglow.
Okay.
Taking over my vlog.
That's just what I said.
With the hockey mask.
Jensen.
Hi babe.
Hi, babe. Ay, ang hirap.
Week. Ikot na ako sa rotonda para kunin mo yung sakay ko dito. Uwi na ako, mag-lunch na ako.
Hindi, copy.
10-4. Yabang mo naman.
Oo, para siya, men.
Gusto mo ng popcorn?
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. miss out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
We're done with the car meet. We're here at Cubao. We've had some hot pot, good food, and we're pretty tired, so we're calling it a night. So, yeah,
See you all guys next week.
next week.
How much I miss